Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to create your own material and how to use V-Ray material library. For now, I have set up 4 balls, 4 spheres and a plane. I am going to show you few materials and few methods to apply them. First of all, I am going to show you how to apply plain V-Ray material on any object. There are two type of material editor. One is this, that is compact material editor, and the other is slate material editor. For now, we are going to learn how to use compact material editor. If you want to apply a material on any object, just drag it like this and drop it on the object. The second way is to select the object, select your material and hit the assign material to the selection button. In this way, you will apply the material on the selected object. Now if we talk about slate material editor, similarly you have to create a material. So for now I am creating a V-Ray material, giving it a custom color, that is diffuse. I am choosing red color. Okay. So if you want to apply V-Ray material from slate editor, there are two options. One is to select object and material and hit the assign material button, and another one is to use this dot, drag this dot and drop it on the object. Now we are going to learn how to create V-Ray material. I am going to show you how to use compact material editor in this video. Another detailed video on slate material editor will be uploaded later. So for now, for the first material, I am going to show you how to use V-Ray material library. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from my video. You will find a link in the description and the I button. So you have to scroll down in this V-Ray toolbar and select V-Ray material browser. For now, I'm going to show you this glass material. Glass. There are two ways to use this material browser. First is to select the object. Now right click on the material and select apply to selected object. In this way, the object is going to assign the material on the selected object. Another way is to select this material, right click on it and select add to scene. In this way, your material will be added to your material editor and you can apply it from here like this only. Now the second way to create material. For the second kind of material, we are going to make a mirror or chrome using compact material editor. I am going to select this material. I am going to rename it from material 3 to mirror. After renaming it, I am going to assign this material on the object like this. Double click on it to open the preview window. Now I am going to select the diffuse color as black. As we all know, mirror have black polish or any dark color polish behind it. After selecting the diffuse material, we are going to set the reflective value to 100% like this. In this 100% means color value as 220 255. After hitting the OK button, I am going to deactivate the Fresnel reflection. You can see the preview window is completely reflective. Now you can see the background being reflected on this preview. This was the second way how to create a material. If you create a mirror material and it appears black on your window, don't worry, this is how it looks. For the third material, I am going to show you how to create bump map using diffuse map and apply it on this plane. For now, I am going to isolate this plane, going to perspective view, again using my material editor, compact material editor. I am going to apply this material and rename it as wood. Now we are going to use a custom diffuse map. For using custom diffuse map, you have to select this right box, select bitmap and select appropriate wood texture or any texture that you are willing to create. I'm going to use this wood map. Simply apply on it. If it is not visible, hit the button show standard material in viewport. You can see wood material is now visible on this plane. I'm going to show you how to add details to this material. For now, I'm going to create bump map for this wood. Map adds the main detail that is present in this wood. In order to create V-Ray wood map bump, I'm going to use Photoshop. For now, I'm minimizing this window, opening my wood texture again, right clicking on it and choosing open with Photoshop. Now we are going to create the bump map. Unlock this background material, hit Ctrl Shift U on your keyboard. You can see the image has become black and white. Now hit Ctrl L to control the curves and darken it a little bit. In this way, we are going to add the bump details to our material. Now save this material as JPG and name it as wood bump. Now open your 3ds Max again, where you have selected your V-Ray material as wood. Go to that material, that is wood. Scroll down, click on the map and upload the bump map. For this you have to click on the no map option, select bitmap and select the map that we have just created. Now that we have applied the bump map, again go to your parent map, that is wood, and set the reflective value. I am going to set the reflective value as 75 and glossiness to 0.75. You can see our wood is now a little bit reflective. Again, unhiding all the objects, going to my camera view, and now you can see now my wood map is visible. Now we have created a glass material using V-Ray material library, a mirror material using V-Ray material editor, a wood material using V-Ray material editor. Now we are going to create a metal map. For this, first I am going to show you how to use V-Ray material library to create a metal. You are going to select metal over here. Simply use this material, aluminum brushed, and add to scene. Before adding to scene, I am going to select an empty map over here. So as you can see, I have selected V-Ray material 5 as an empty map, and now I am going to hit add to scene. You can see now the material that is aluminum brushed is now added to my material editor. I am going to apply this on this object and hit the show standard material in viewport button. Now I have applied 4 materials by using different methods. The final method, I am going to show you how to use slate material editor. For this, I am going to click on this mode button and select slate material editor. Right click on empty space, select material, V-Ray and V-Ray material. I am going to name it as steel. Now as we have already selected the diffuse color as grayish, now I am going to apply the bump map. General bitmap, and I am selecting the metal bump over here. OK. Right click on this window and select preview material. Open preview window. Rescale this preview window to get a better look at your material. You can see a little bit of roughness of steel on this material. I am going to set the reflection to 100, hit OK button, glossiness to 0.85. That is, I know steel is pretty much reflective, and using the Fresnel reflection, I'm unlocking this Fresnel IOR and setting it as 2.5. That is the Fresnel index of reflection for steel. If you want to know how to select reflection and Fresnel IOR, you can check out this website, that is pixelandpoly.com. You can see different Fresnel IOR reflection over here. If you find it less, you can increase it up to 6 or 7. I'm going to 6. You can now see my material is even more reflective now. Now I am going to apply this material, closing this preview window, selecting this material, drag this material and drop in on the selected object. As you can see, material is applied. Now using the V-Ray material, I have created this scene. Now I am going to show you the light setup. I am using simply the HDRI that I have showed in my last video. If you haven't seen it yet, click on the I button or check out my description. I am going to hit the render now. Before that, I am going to apply the render settings that I prefer. Let me know in the comment section if you are now able to create your own material and use Material V-Ray material library. Do like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel.